So Kirsty, tell me what brought you to see me and what brought you to the practice, and what did you know about my work?
So my friend Caroline had been to see you, and she had told me a little bit about you and what you did, and I tried a lot of different things before to try and help with my back issue over the years, and nothing had really worked, or it was very temporary, and so I thought I'd give you a go.
Great. And so how did you find the experience and the first time you came? And
yeah, so I was a bit nervous because I didn't, obviously my friend had told me what's happened with her, and I was hoping it would work, but I had no idea. So when I came along, it was interesting. It wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I thought I'd have a bit of physio, and then and when I'd been through the experience and the treatment, and I went home, I realised that actually my back pain had already stopped after 3 months of having back pain and nothing working.
Great.
So it was quite amazing.
So if anybody was thinking about coming to see me, perhaps with chronic pain or complex health issues, and having an understanding now, being through the journey, and how things can be connected in mind and body, what might you say to someone watching this now?
Well, I've already given your name out to a few of my friends already. I kind of, I said, "Oh, you really need to speak to Rodger. You really need to." So I don't want to make everybody too keen now, because then I won't get an appointment. So yeah, I would kind of say, not to kind of go through the usual physio. Because I really do feel it's a waste of time, unfortunately. Okay. Just from my own experience, it's never really helped me, and I didn't realise that it was actually attached to other issues. I just thought it was a physical issue. So obviously I did have have had things happen in my past, but I didn't realise that was why I was getting this pain coming back every now and then. So yeah, I would say to anyone not to hesitate and to, definitely give it a go. So I find it quite a difficult thing to describe when I'm trying to say to other people about it, and because it's quite unique and nothing that I've experienced before. So, but yeah, when I relax and then I think back and kind of imagine myself in that situation that has given me trauma in the past, it's incredible that you kind of I think about that and I feel all the tension and the physical things that I went through at that time, and it's like I'm reliving them and I'm in there at that moment, and then you magically
do something,
release it. And it's quite incredible. It's kind of releasing it, though, as you say, like a slow Coke fizz, so it's controlled. You don't kind of feel that you're going to lose control and it's going to be too much. It's great to be able to release it in that physical way, and I think also you kind of unconsciously, you don't realise sometimes that you hold all of this in. And I've tried so many different things to kind of release, and I think that I have released it, and then something else happens and I realise that I haven't. And I think for somebody who's really in their head like I am, it kind of unconsciously really helps, because I always question everything so much that I kind of think, oh, it's not going to work. But this physically works and releases it, and unconsciously releases it. So it's quite incredible.
So, yeah, I mean, I think helping people to get back into their bodies is really critical. But if people have had to get out of the body, if you like, for a while, then helping them to get back there is needs skill and to read the body and the felt sense. Wonder maybe if you could share a bit about the kind of what it might, this reconnection with the body, maybe, and actually how it feels now, having gone through this work, to go, how different do you feel now?
Yeah, when we're in a session and we're going over a situation perhaps, and I can feel my body go, really tensing up, like in my heart, in my stomach, in my legs. I used to get a lot of shaking in my legs because of the tension that I was holding. But you've kind of shown me how to, even just sitting with my legs further forward, just something as simple as that really helps to kind of change your the tension and not to hold on to it. And when we're going through the sessions and we're releasing that, it's I do call you the wizard. It's quite wizardry.
How has it been in your life, since those sessions? Maybe how has it played out? You mentioned that it improved your back pain. How else has it sort of touched your life or influenced your life?
I feel that it's not like, well, I was going to say it's not a quick fix, but that definitely was a quick fix. But
well, it was. We had some sessions after.
That's right. But mentally, it's definitely helped me as well to kind of change the way I think, which really helps me because that's what I really struggle with, and obviously that's what's in turn has caused me these issues of not being able to really let go and holding all that tension of whatever's happened in my body all these years, and it's tried to escape, it's not been able to escape, and so it's accumulated in an area, and then just mentally just improving all the time. Like, I don't even realize sometimes that maybe the way I would react to a certain situation is definitely easing, and I look at it in a different way now, which is amazing after all these years. So.